Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Earth and loading the course imagery for the hole you'll analyze. First, zoom into the T in green. Make sure 3D buildings and terrain are on so slopes show. Next, enable the ruler tool, historical imagery, and elevation profile. Those three are essential. Once done, position the view so you can clearly see hazards and fairways. This gives you the spatial context to measure line, distance, and slope before drawing any paths. You now draw the ideal shot path with the Path tool, clicking from T to intended landing and then to the pin. This gives precise distance and azimuth. Then open the elevation profile to assess uphill or downhill grade, because slope changes how far you'll carry shots. Make additional short paths for alternative lines and place markers for hazards and safe layup zones. Once mapped, save the work as a KMZ so you can review it on your phone or share with a coach. You finish by exporting the KMZ/KML file to your device or printing annotated screenshots for on-course reference. That keeps data available without an internet connection. Make sure to cross-check critical distances with a GPS device or laser rangefinder so your club choices match real conditions. If the imagery looks wrong or outdated, switch to historical imagery or import GPS waypoints to correct pin placement. This single troubleshooting step fixes most alignment errors and prevents bad decisions on the course.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.